So this ongoing debate about the franchise system for Jamaica's Premier Football League officially gone crazy. It's basically down to the CASAFA rejecting the idea and the other parishes supporting the idea. Everybody are protect them own narrow self-interest, with the football getting caught in between. CASAFA worrying, say them will lose some of their top club status, while the parishes, especially those without a Premier League team, seeing this as an easy way to get into and stay in the big league. But you know, the main premise for CASAFA pushing back against the franchise system, I think is flawed. This recommendation was never about cutting the power of CASAFA. It was more about rescuing a struggling league and its struggling clubs, including the very same big CASAFA clubs that still can't even make ends meet. Plus, I don't see why CASAFA could not get 4 or even 5 franchises, because Kingston and St. Andrew have the bigger population and the bigger economy. So this thing of people dismissing the concept of the franchise system again is baffling, because if properly introduced and fully financed, the franchise system would be far better than what we have now. So if you can get 10 or 12 investors to pump $150 million a year into each franchise, by all means, carry them come. Unlike my friends in CASAFA, I have no problem with the concept of a franchise system. The simple fact of the matter is that right now, Jamaica cannot afford a franchise system. In other words, we have lobster tears and chicken back pocket.